Did you know that some crystals work better together? When you pair the right stones, their energy amplifies, creating an even more powerful effect. Today, I'll share 5 of my favorite crystal power duos and how you can use them in your daily life. Rose quartz and amethyst. Self-love and emotional healing. If you're looking for love and emotional healing, this is the perfect duo. Rose quartz is the stone of unconditional love, while amethyst helps soothe the mind and release negativity. Together, they promote deep self-love and emotional balance. Hold them during meditation or place them by your bed for peaceful sleep. Citrine and pyrite, abundance and manifestation. Want to attract success and prosperity? Citrine is known as the merchant stone for attracting wealth, and pyrite is a powerhouse for confidence and abundance. Keep these in your workspace or wallet to draw financial opportunities your way. Lapis lazuli and clear quartz, intuition and clarity. Need clarity and insight? Lapis lazuli is the ultimate stone for deep wisdom and intuition, while clear quartz amplifies its energy. This gel is perfect for meditation or journaling. Hold them in your hands when you need answers from within. Black tourmaline and selenite, protection and energy cleansing. If you're sensitive to negative energy, this combination is a must. Black tourmaline shields against negativity, while selenite purifies and raises vibrations. Place them by your front door to keep your home energetically clear. Carnelian and red jasper, motivation and grounding. Need a motivation boost? Carnelian fuels creativity and confidence, while red jasper keeps you grounded and focused. Carry these with you when starting a new project or working toward a big goal. Crystals work best when they are used with intention. Try these pairings and see how they enhance your energy. Let me know in the comments which duo you're drawn to the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crystal wisdom.